at a shop, Midwest Performance.
That's the one.
And we are here for his show.
Ooh.
And
he's already.
of course, we're here with Rob from the 964 page.
What up, peeps?
Check this out. Let's go. There he is.
Hey, bro. How are ya?
Wow, look at this place.
How's it going, man?
Great.
Good to see you.
Here's Andy the man. How's it going today?
It's been a running around everything day, getting everything ready, getting the shop cleaned up.
I mean, I'm sure it always looks this beautiful, right?
You know what? I see all the dirt, but all of our customers are always like, God, this place is so clean.
This shop is super cool. Let's take a tour real quick before everyone gets here.
Yeah, for sure.
So you got that old caddy in the back. That's dope.
The old caddy in the back. It's a really good customer. It's one of their oddball cars at the end that you just take care of it. Sorry to interrupt. That looks pretty all right then.
Yeah. What is that?
So that got shipped in from New Jersey, built by Rox Motorsports.
Oh yes.
Right. So that is actually the car that is on that banner from our first show last year. That car belonged to the guy who inspired this show. His name was Karsten Alfkabar. The gentleman who bought that car, he now lives in Jersey, and he elected to ship it here for the show to be on display.
So what kind of motor's in here?
What's the motor in here, Adam?
I think it's a 3.2 from C.
What up, brother?
What's up, Adam? Staying busy?
Good
to see you.
Hey, we're here preparing this canvas for Saturday. I gotta get the artist all set up.
What's in here? What are you powering this by?
2.2, regular engine. Yeah, good man. Beautiful.
What's the name of this color?
Called olive.
Olive. Olive?
That's the one color I know.
Wait. I think the lighting's throwing me off everywhere because it's like... So this 993 C4S has 19,000 miles. Take a look at this. It is a triple black 993 C4S and 19,000 miles. That's pretty incredible. It's like it's driven around when it can. Looks like it's got some watermarks on it. Probably just because it was driving here and it was raining last night, but super, super clean. And then you have Andy's Pikachu 914, or at least that's what you told Calvin last night. He said, I have a Pikachu 914, and here it is. So, look at that. Super awesome. Look how massive you are. You're like your brother, but bigger.
How's it going, dude?
What's up?
Finally meet you.
Man, when'd you get here?
I just showed up like 5 minutes ago. I birded. I live like maybe just far enough to where it's like I'm trying to be like quick on time. So I'm finishing my residency applications right now. And so it's like...
I think that's a little weird though, is that he's got no camera.
I have... Wait.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boom!
Oh, whoa, whoa.
iPhone 8 Plus. Oh yeah.
Hey,
going way back.
You beat me with my, because I had the 7 Plus.
Look at that photo.
You have a
That's my
corgi?
corgi. I do. He'll be there on Saturday.
One?
Well, so my sister-in-law lives with us too, and she has a corgi. So there should be 2 baby corgis.
I was gonna say,
running around.
I've never seen corgi by themselves. There's always like a pair of corgis. What's up, fam?
What's good, bro?
What you doing here, bro?
You already know, check it out, Chicago.
You in Chi-Town, living life?
Of course, bro.
So, I know Miami is hot as hell. How does the humidity here compare?
Last night was bad,
Yeah.
but today it's not that bad.
So Miami, typically, does it get as bad as that, or is it way worse? You guys are way worse, aren't you?
Yeah, we're way worse. But I was like, this isn't that bad. I could still, in Miami, I don't walk outside.
I mean, it was humid. We were in Miami in February and it was hot, but I know probably in the summer it's like humid as hell. Don't go to Miami in the summer.
You only got like 3 seasons, like summer, and then maybe a winter.
That's hilarious. Yo, Andy, it sounds really good, but we all need a ride along, so we'll start the line right here.
Yeah, I'm
and
ready.
then we'll determine how awesome it is. So until then, we'll kind of hold our reservations about how cool it is. Actually, we need to do some comparisons with this one and the Rock one right there. We'll do a couple of those, and then we'll make a determination.
I agree with that.
Yeah, I mean, Brandon agrees. GT3 is back there, so we'll also use that as a base to see if it's good enough or not.
Damn, GG3 has a base?
hey, I mean, you air-cooled cars, man. You got something to work up to, you know. But hey, it's all possible. Oh my God, what's up? That Cali blood.
We're at Pop-Tart.
Hi, yes.
Andy Bizzle.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Yeah. You guys look like you guys were talking through the wall earlier, so just, you know.
Hanging out.
All right, let's check out the table. Oh, look at that. It's all printed on the fabric?
No, you're legit now. You got a table cloth.
Dude. All right, we got Dan here, and he's going to show us kind of the layout for Saturday.
So as we see, you know, you've got your cars lined up here and there. This is always good. It's great. Fantastic. But you always need to get that little punch. So we figured we're going to put the gears in there. You know, we get this sunburst. This is a story. This is the cars having a conversation. It's not the people only. Right. It's the cars. They're coming in there so tight and all that. So in this space here, we also got 5 story cars. They're going to be pulling out and they're going to give a story and they'll pull back. And then another one's going to come in. We got this throughout the afternoon on Saturday. We're going to be doing fantastic little, you know, event that you get the people talking about the cars, not just the, you know, the cars, people walking by them. They're talking the stories. You know, they're going to relive a little bit of that time. So that's in the gears. Inside we got the garage here. That's where we're going to have some of our nice select cars also. We're bringing them in. Friday night we're going to have 4 cars. Then we're going to bring in 8 cars total in there on Saturday. That'll be a great space. We've got very unique flavors coming through there. That'll be great. Beneath that we have Racer Row here, and this is going to consist of, we got 23 cars here and we added another 6 more over here because we keep getting them in. We got Eurosport, Midwest Eurosport, bringing in a trailer full of cars, and we got 6 cars. Everyone's got an umbrella above it, and it's going to be fantastic. Everybody's going to see a lot of numbers, a lot of Hoosier slicks, all that throughout this space here. You're going to see your GT3s, GT4s, cars that are not going to be street legal are going to be in this area.
Nice.
Fantastic. We got 3 streets closed off. All this is going to be open to the public. We're going to be walking through here. It's going to be great. On the streets that we have closed off, Aberdeen Street here and May Street, we're going to have cars lined up all the way along there. This is going to be great. This will be neat. I should actually go back and say where they register off of Hubbard and Aberdeen. They're going to be coming through. Every person that registers is going to come in a Chicago underpass here. Classic patina of these hardworking Chicago flavor. Every car is going to get a photograph of their car right in that event booth, we call it, and that's going to be fantastic. And then they're going to move in and get parked. We got the flats here, as in flat 6s. We got all the Porsches coming in here also going to be thrown out. We got the South flats, we got the North flats, and we got our banner shot coming with Andy Vizub with his car. The 914 we see here is going to have limitless waters in the front and back opened up. It's going to be fantastic. And then we got Napleton Porsche bringing in everything from a Carrera GT to hopefully a Sport Turismo wagon. We got Auto Art that's going to be in here. We're going to have a couple of art cars in here. Mac Blackout is going to be doing a live painting over here while we're here for the 6 hours that we're going to be here. A Chicago artist that does some incredible street art that's going to be fantastic. We're going to have P-Car Talk walk in there. We're going to have Overcrest walking throughout the site talking about everything. The view, we got this elevated viewing space that people will be able to stand inside and take a look. And then we've got these locations that are going to be just sort of unique little niches that are going to be fantastic to go through. So hopefully everybody's going to enjoy it. It's going to be a fantastic event. So
There you guys have it. It's going to be super exciting. And then not only that, it's going to be way bigger than it was last year. And so I think this is the start of something even bigger, I think, every year going through. So thank you, Dan.
thanks, Drew. Appreciate it. Excellent.
All right, Andy. The open house. Sweet open house, by the way.
Event 1 of 3 successfully completed.
It was a good one.
It was a good one. It was fantastic.
Off to a
Love
great
having
start.
everybody in. It was a great start. Yeah.
Tomorrow, how's tomorrow going to go?
Tomorrow's going to be fantastic. We're going to have some really special cars there. PCNA is bringing a couple of really, really unique things. We got a good group of people. Can't wait to hear Ray Schaefer and meet him in person because I've followed him for years, and I'm just really, really interested in talking to him about Porsche Classic.
Is he bringing the white turbo?
I don't believe he is bringing a car because he is actually flying out early Saturday morning to LA.
Oh, got it.
He is a very busy man. Yeah. So, but really looking forward to that. And then, of course, I'm going to tempt fate. I'm going to knock on some wood. Looks like Saturday is going to be an absolutely picture perfect day in Chicago. Sunny, 75, 80 degrees. Almost 200 Porsches on display. with
Dude,
even
it's-
more great people coming to see him talk. So it's gonna be great.
Exciting. Brandon, you excited?
Hell yeah!
Curtis, you excited? Hell yeah! Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I can take my t-shirt off and show tan lines on Saturday if required.
We'll keep that on notice.
How many California people are coming out? We got like 5 or 6 people.
We do have several people, but we have one person from UK
rep.
Great Britain.
Repping. I've got a little Porsche page if you don't mind following it.
Plug.
Drew, why don't you follow us on this page?
I never heard of it before.
Yeah, cool. I understand, bro.
What is a 964? I never heard of one.
It's like that, just different bumpers. That's all it is. And page
But
bumper.
and here's the man, and this guy. It's his 5 a.m. right now.
Oh yeah, he is.
He's running. He's still running on England time.
All right, so I've been bugging Keith to move his car up here because it's not here, and of course it's one of the best cars here.
For the record, it is here. It's just on the other side of this fucking building.
No, it's not here. This is a showcase parking lot. So if there's a white 964 that needs to represent, is this one. So let's go get it and let's get the party started. I mean,
It's not a good spot.
I guess it is.
I'm gonna take the.
You know what? Yeah, you might want to take that off.
Hey, that's WeatherTech. That's
That's high quality?
This is my company. You can take this down. We'll fix this up like that. Bam.
All right, maybe you should just leave it here, bro. What the?
Here,
You're here. We're all here, bro.
Drew.
We're here.
Drew.
And you know, Keith has got a beautiful spot by himself. All good. I get it.
I don't need anybody else.
964 life, bro. This is really the showcase spot. I get it, bro. Let's just leave it here. Best thing I've seen all day right here. Go, pink van. No, dude, we gotta.
Jacob. Well supported.
Are you from?
Dude, Let's get it in, Keith.
Get some.
What's up, broski? What's up, baby? Are you drunk?
Hey, brother, of course I am.
You found your phone. You lost your phone and you found your phone.
I want to see a cereal.
2-hour ordeal. That's scary. What happened to your phone?
Especially in a different environment.
All right. Well, that's it. Beautiful event. Adam, Andy, and the whole crew here at Checked It Out Chicago. Tomorrow's gonna be the big event. It's gonna be super exciting. It's gonna be the biggest one yet, right? Your second year. 187 cars. It's gonna be super badass. Till then, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow.